Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. So this is the first thing you need to do. And then we can open the Play Store. However, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can add it right after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. If you want to, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in the specific device if you don't want to do it on your own. So after logging, and simply go to the Play Store. Okay, now simply tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and then go to My Apps and Games. Now tap on Updates Available, and here we've got the list of all updates pending. And now it depends what you want to do. So you can either tap on Update All, and your device will download all of the listed updates, or you can simply go through the list and manually just tap on Update next to each app. So it's completely up to you. I'll simply update both here, and your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.